are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share.
Eid Mubarak to all. Hope you had a wonderful Eid with your loved ones. Our Eid special is Mutton Dum Biriyani with chicken 65. Required ingredients are 1.5 kg mutton, 5 onion, 3 tomatoes. Big piece ginger, garlic, 10 to 15 pieces, green chili also the same quantity. We don't have to use chili powder and turmeric powder for this recipe. Cut the onion in thin slices. Cut the tomato also. Make ginger garlic green chili paste. Required spices for this biryani: fennel seed 1.5 teaspoon, cumin seed 1.5 teaspoon, 10 clove, black pepper 1.5 teaspoon, cinnamon 20 gram, star 1 piece, cardamom 6 pieces. Take a fry pan, add ghee and coconut oil. Fry the onion till it turns into golden color. In between, add some sugar and cardamom. Use the same oil for mutton masala. Put all the spices in the oil. When it comes hot, put the mutton and saute it for few minutes. Add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Add coriander leaf. Add tomatoes. Then add curd. Add lemon juice. Mix it evenly and no need to add extra water. Keep it for 15 minutes before opening. It's time to prepare the rice. 1 piece cinnamon, clove, fried onion, curry leaves, fennel seed, cashew and cardamom. Take a pot, use a ghee and oil, put all the spices together. Use 1:1.5 proportion. I took 5 glass rice with 7.5 glass water. Close the cooker and boil it till it cooks 80%. Mutton is ready now. Add garam masala and curry leaves to it. For making them, we can take a pan, keep a pot top of the pan. Put mutton first, then add fried onion, coriander leaf and rice. In between, put masala and ghee. Put fried onion and coriander leaf top of the rice. Cover it with foil paper. Keep it in sim flame for half an hour. After half hour, our mutton dum biryani is ready. For making chicken 65, use chicken breast and cut it in small size. Take a plate, add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon Kashmiri chili, half teaspoon turmeric powder, enough salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, egg, and mix it properly. Add 1 tablespoon hot sauce, and add 1 tablespoon corn flour with it. Mix this mixture with chicken, keep it for half hour, fry it after and make it crispy. Now our tasty dum biryani and chicken 65 is ready to serve. Enjoy the food! Keep safe and take care. Bye.